This extra decadent meal that is full of amazing flavors and creaminess will have you licking your plate clean. Creamy Tuscan chicken is a dish that will make a grown man shed a tear. So let me show you how to make this today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. There really is minimal prep for this recipe, and it starts with our chicken breast. This dish uses 2 large chicken breasts, and I'm going to trim those up. I like to horizontally cut these breasts by taking a knife and slicing the chicken from end to end, resulting in 2 pieces. Then we're going to season up the chicken on both sides with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Make sure to do both sides of that chicken. Then we're going to head over to the stove. Using a deep, large skillet, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let the oil heat up over medium-high heat for about a minute, then add in the chicken. Let the chicken cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Once the chicken is cooked and has achieved some of that delicious browning, remove it from the pan and put it on a plate. Then into that same pan, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Let that get nice and melted. Then add in 8 ounces of mushrooms and saute those for about 5 minutes. What we want with these mushrooms is for them to soften up just a bit and achieve some browning. Then add in 1 cup of packed spinach, 1/4 a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute this for about a minute until that garlic is more fragrant and the spinach has wilted a bit. Then stir in 1 cup of chicken broth. If you wanted to use a 1/2 cup of cooking wine and a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, that is a delicious option as well. Then add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Give that a stir. Bring this to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Then add back in the chicken. Let this simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes, spooning that sauce over the chicken, and the sauce will thicken up a bit. This smells amazing. You can serve this over pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes. No matter what, you are going to love it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.